Welcome to the third and final part of how to create an app using NinjaMock. Starting off where we left, we're just going to duplicate our menu page and we're going to delete the menu items because this is going to be a find stores page. So we're going to change shop with stores, and then we're going to add a new piece of text. We're going to write search for city country. We're going to change to Arial and make it a bit smaller. Insert a new text and write search. We're going to change to Arial and make it fit next to the other sentence. And we're just going to use the line tool to draw a line underneath. Then we're going to add another piece of text and we're going to write Copenhagen. And we're going to change the size a bit. And we're going to add a final text with a street name. Change to Arial, change the size. And then we just need a map. So we're going to find a map and drag it to fit and then arrange it to be in the back. And we're just going to drag it like this. So this was our final page, and now we just need to link the pages together. So we're going to click the menu icon and we're going to select page link and we're going to link it to menu. We're going to select our basket, page link, and then basket page. And basically this is what we're going to do with all of the pages. So fast forward, we're going to have a fully functional app like this with a menu, with a product overview, with a specific product page, with a shopping bag, and with a find store page, all linked together. So this was it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and subscribe to NinjaMock channel to watch more tutorials on how to create great apps.